Hey, good evening, Johan Jack, Wesley Chapel Toyota. Hope all is well. Here's a short video on the engine of the 84 Land Cruiser we've talked about. I just wanted to take a short video and show you a little bit about it again. As you see, it's purring right along. No issues, no knocking. Hopefully this will solve all your concerns about the vehicle itself. Give me a call, 727-452-3664. Give you a little bit of a shot of the vehicle during the daylight. Here's the interior again. As you said, this was a vehicle that's dear to your heart, so hopefully we can wrap this thing up tomorrow. Again, Jack, Wesley Chapel Toyota, 727-452-3664. Have a wonderful evening. Talk to you real soon.